video, we are going to continue our discussion on the project development for Tanishque clone. Right. So till now we have added the authentication for our user, that the user will be able to authenticate, and any API that we are going to develop, only authenticated users can access it. Okay. Cool. So now, majorly we have to focus on how to actually model our data. So for this project, data modeling is going to be really very easy. We are going to have a bunch of products. Each product is going to belong to a corresponding category, right? So that is something we can have, right? So let me open on a site tab a Tanishque website and I can see some categories directly here, right? So let's just do that. So let's just go to models. We'll make a new file, category.js. Okay, we can say const mongoose is equals to require mongoose, and then we can say const category schema is equals to new mongoose dot schema, right? We can have a name for the category that is going to be of type string, and let's say we can have required true. Okay. Apart from that, let's see if we can have anything else in the category. I guess name should be sufficient. We should add some timestamps. Timestamps as true. Let's just think if we can have anything else in the category. I would say this should be good. Category should be good. And we can have a new model. So const category model is equals to new mongoose dot model. We can say category, and then we can have category schema. At last we'll do module dot exports category model. Okay. If it would have been another kind of an e-commerce, then we would have also made a model for brand. But here we have a Tanishque clone, so the brand is already specified always. Now we can have another file. This is going to be product.js. So const mongoose is equals to new, require mongoose. Then we can say const product schema is equals to new mongoose dot schema. First of all, we are going to have a name of the product that is going to be of type string required true. Then we can have description of the product that can be of type string. Then we can have price of the product, type number, and this is going to be required true. And then we can have an I would say for the product we can have a category. This category is going to be of the type mongoose dot schema dot types dot object id. This is something that we can do, right? Let me just quickly check if the syntax is correct. Yes, mongoose dot schema dot types dot object id, correct, perfectly fine. Ref is going to be actually category model name, and this is required. Every product should have a category, right? And then we can have, let's say, timestamps true. We can say const product model is equals to new mongoose dot model product schema, and we can say module dot exports product model. Okay, so I believe this should be good. We also need to have an image parameter, so img, let's say type string. We are not going to store images like in our local. Rather than we can use a third-party service like maybe Amazon S3 and upload the images there, and we can store the link of the images, the URL of the images in our database. There is no point of storing the images here because that is going to make our overall server bulky and we cannot scale it very well, right? So this product schema is also, I guess, perfectly fine. Cool. So we have defined our data models. Now in the upcoming set of videos, we are going to add the service using which we will be able to manipulate the data in the database, and we'll also add the controllers which will lead to the completion of the API that we want for the overall CRUD of this product. The major role that this product and category is going to follow in this, I would say, project is mainly around CRUD. So that is something that we can definitely leverage. That being said, let's just wrap it up. We are going to meet soon in the next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye-bye and thank you.